Seniors, here's why you should drink okra water daily. If you're a senior and you've never tried drinking okra water, you might be missing out on one of the simplest natural drinks that could significantly improve your health. This humble vegetable, often used in soups and stews, can actually do much more than add flavor to your meals. When soaked in water overnight, okra releases a gel-like substance packed with nutrients that can support your blood sugar, digestion, heart, joints, and even your energy levels. And the best part? It's easy to prepare, inexpensive, and gentle on the stomach, perfect for older adults who are seeking safer alternatives to synthetic supplements. What makes okra so special is the slimy texture that most people try to avoid. That gel is actually where the magic lies. It contains soluble fiber and mucilage that act like a gentle sweep for your digestive system, helping remove waste, regulate blood sugar, and protect your gut lining. But the benefits don't stop there. Okra water has also been studied for its impact on cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and even brain function, key areas of concern for aging adults. Now let's talk about what actually happens when seniors start drinking okra water regularly. First, one of the most noticeable effects is improved blood sugar control. The soluble fiber in okra slows down how fast sugar enters your bloodstream. That means less sudden spikes, more stable energy, and less strain on your pancreas. If you're pre-diabetic or already managing diabetes, this drink can become a natural ally in your daily routine. It doesn't replace medication, but it can help your body respond better and reduce overall glucose swings throughout the day. Another benefit that often surprises people is how okra water supports digestion. Seniors commonly deal with constipation, bloating, or irregular bowel movements, especially if they're taking medications or have lower physical activity. The mucilage in okra works like a soothing lubricant that softens stool and helps it pass more comfortably. This is particularly helpful if you've noticed your digestion slowing down with age. Some people even find that their acid reflux and indigestion improve with regular intake, because the gel forms a protective layer in the stomach lining. Okra is also good for your heart, and not just because of its fiber. It's a natural source of antioxidants, including compounds like quercetin and polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation inside your blood vessels. Chronic inflammation is one of the silent contributors to heart disease, high blood pressure, and even stroke. Drinking okra water won't cure those conditions, but it supports vascular health and helps protect your arteries over time. It's like giving your heart a daily shield made from plants. If you suffer from joint pain or stiffness, there's another reason to give this drink a chance. Okra contains vitamin C and compounds that support collagen production, which is essential for keeping joints flexible. The anti-inflammatory effects may also help reduce the discomfort from arthritis or general wear and tear in older adults. Unlike many anti-inflammatory drugs, okra water is gentle on the kidneys and stomach, an important factor for seniors who are already on medications or have underlying health issues. Okra water can also play a role in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that it helps bind to bile acids in the digestive tract, forcing the body to use more cholesterol to make new bile. That means less cholesterol circulating in your blood. Over time, this could lead to modest reductions in LDL, or bad cholesterol, especially when combined with other healthy habits like fiber-rich meals and regular walks. It's not a miracle, but it's a smart addition to your morning. There's also something to be said about hydration. Many seniors unknowingly live in a mild state of dehydration, which can affect everything from brain function to kidney health. Drinking plain water is always good, but okra water adds electrolytes, antioxidants, and soothing fiber to the mix. It encourages better hydration by being more than just liquid. It becomes nourishment. Some people even notice their energy improving and their afternoon fatigue decreasing, simply because they're staying hydrated with something that actually feeds the body. One of the more overlooked benefits of okra water is its effect on immunity. As we age, our immune system naturally becomes weaker, but okra contains vitamins A and C, which are crucial for maintaining immune defenses. Regular intake may help reduce the frequency of minor illnesses like colds and infections, and some believe it even improves wound healing and skin repair. While it's not a replacement for proper nutrition, it certainly adds a layer of natural protection. Another area where okra water quietly helps is in eye health. Thanks to its vitamin A content and antioxidants like lutein, it supports retinal function and may help slow the progression of age-related vision problems. Seniors who are already experiencing blurry vision or dry eyes may benefit from the additional nutrients that okra provides, especially when consumed daily in water form, which makes it easier for the body to absorb. And let's not forget how easy it is to make. You don't need to boil or blend anything. Just take 2 to 4 fresh okra pods, wash them thoroughly, slice off the ends, and cut them in half. Place them in a glass of room temperature water, cover, and let them soak overnight. By morning, the water will have a slightly thick texture. That's the mucilage, and that's exactly what you want. Remove the okra and drink the water on an empty stomach. Do this consistently, ideally for 1 to 2 weeks, and observe how your body responds. Many seniors who stick with this routine report better digestion, more stable blood sugar, less bloating, and even reduced cravings. Some say their skin feels more hydrated, while others notice fewer bathroom issues. The key is to be consistent and observe how your body reacts. Everyone is different, but because okra is so gentle and natural, it's a great place to start for those looking to support their health without relying on pills. Now, while this drink is generally safe, there are a few considerations. If you're allergic to okra or have a history of kidney stones, you might want to limit or avoid it due to its oxalate content. Also, if you're taking blood-thinning medications, speak to your doctor before starting daily okra water, as it contains vitamin K, which can interfere with those drugs. But for most seniors, especially those looking for a natural way to support aging organs and boost overall vitality, it's a smart, low-risk habit. Even better, okra is widely available in most markets, easy to store, and affordable. There's no need for expensive supplements when nature already provides a healing drink that supports nearly every system in the body. From your digestion and blood sugar to your skin, joints, heart, and brain, okra water truly is a quiet powerhouse, hiding in plain sight. Beyond the more well-known benefits of okra water like digestion and blood sugar control, there are deeper effects that happen inside the body over time, especially when it's consumed consistently by older adults. One of these lesser-known benefits is how okra may support healthy kidney function. Seniors are often at risk of gradual kidney decline due to age, medication use, and chronic conditions like hypertension or diabetes. Okra's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds may help reduce oxidative stress in kidney tissues, which is one of the root causes of kidney damage in the elderly. In fact, some small studies have found that okra extract reduced markers of kidney inflammation and improved overall kidney health in diabetic animal models. While human research is still limited, the early signs are promising, and incorporating okra water into your routine could serve as an extra layer of protection. Especially for seniors who are looking for natural ways to support their kidneys without adding more pills to their daily regimen, this drink may be one of the easiest tools to use. Another system that benefits is your metabolism. As we age, metabolism tends to slow down, not only because of reduced activity, but also because of hormonal changes and loss of muscle mass. Okra is rich in B vitamins, especially folate and vitamin B6, which play a key role in converting food into energy. Drinking okra water in the morning may help prime your metabolism for the day by delivering these nutrients in a form that's easy for your body to absorb. It won't give you the energy jolt of caffeine, but it will support steady energy and better nutrient utilization throughout the day. Okra also contains natural prebiotics, compounds that feed the good bacteria in your gut. For seniors, maintaining a balanced gut microbiome is essential, not only for digestion, but for immune function, mood regulation, and even brain health. Poor gut health has been linked to memory issues, weakened immunity, and chronic inflammation. By drinking okra water, you introduce these prebiotics in a gentle way, helping to nourish your beneficial gut flora and improve overall digestive harmony. Speaking of memory and brain function, okra's antioxidants may have a neuroprotective effect as well. It contains flavonoids that reduce oxidative damage in brain cells, which may play a role in slowing cognitive decline. For seniors concerned about memory loss, confusion, or foggy thinking, regular intake of antioxidant-rich plants like okra could help maintain mental clarity and focus. It's not a cure for conditions like Alzheimer's, but it does support better blood flow to the brain and reduces free radical damage, both of which matter as we age. Now let's talk about the skin. Many seniors notice that their skin becomes drier, thinner, or more prone to irritation over time. Okra's hydrating mucilage, combined with its vitamin C and antioxidant content, can support better skin, elasticity, and healing. Some people even apply okra water topically as a gentle toner, but drinking it is the more sustainable method. It helps your skin from the inside out by supporting hydration, circulation, and collagen production. If you're looking for a natural glow or a way to reduce fine lines, this simple drink might help more than you expect. Another quiet but impactful benefit is how okra water may aid in weight management. Seniors who struggle with weight gain or abdominal fat, often due to slowed metabolism or reduced activity, may find that the fiber in okra helps reduce appetite and improve satiety. That means you feel fuller for longer, reducing the need for unnecessary snacking. It's not a weight loss miracle, but it helps regulate appetite in a natural, non-stimulating way, which is much better than pills or crash diets. Now, for seniors with high blood pressure, which is incredibly common, okra water provides multiple layers of support. The potassium content in okra helps balance out sodium levels in the body, easing pressure on blood vessel walls. At the same time, its anti-inflammatory effects help keep those blood vessels flexible and relaxed. This can lead to modest reductions in blood pressure over time, especially when paired with other healthy habits like walking and cutting back on processed salt. Drinking okra water in the morning is one of the simplest ways to start your day with a heart-healthy ritual. Men in particular might be interested in the potential benefits of okra water for prostate health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds may help reduce swelling in the prostate gland, easing symptoms like frequent urination or difficulty starting a stream. While more research is needed, some traditional medicine systems have used okra as part of prostate support regimens. It's worth considering as a preventive option for male seniors, especially when combined with other prostate-friendly foods like pumpkin seeds or tomatoes. If you're wondering about blood clot prevention, okra may offer a small bonus there as well. The vitamin K in okra is essential for proper blood clotting balance. While too much vitamin K can interfere with certain medications like warfarin, in natural food form, it usually helps the body maintain clotting at healthy levels. Not too thick, not too thin. This balance is especially important for seniors at risk of strokes, varicose veins, or other circulatory issues. And for those with brittle nails or thinning hair, the nutrients in okra, particularly folate, vitamin C, and magnesium, can support better cell regeneration. Folate is essential for the production of new red blood cells, and magnesium helps regulate calcium balance in the body, which affects hair follicles and nail strength. If you've been dealing with slow-growing nails, peeling, or hair thinning, drinking okra water consistently may help support better growth and repair from the inside. As you can see, the effects of okra water go far beyond just lowering blood sugar. It's a full-body tonic for seniors, and because it's so simple and affordable, it becomes one of the most accessible ways to improve health at any stage of aging. Unlike supplements that only target one system, okra water helps multiple organs and functions simultaneously, gently, gradually, and naturally. If you're new to it, start with small amounts. Half a glass in the morning on an empty stomach is a good way to begin. You can gradually increase to a full glass if your body tolerates it well. Most people report no side effects, but listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort, reduce the amount or frequency. It's also wise to rotate your habits. Maybe take a break for a week after drinking it daily for a month to keep your system in balance. Another tip: always use fresh organic okra when possible. Avoid okra that's been waxed or heavily sprayed, since those chemicals can leach into the water. If you can't find organic, just rinse thoroughly and soak in water with a splash of vinegar before preparing. You can store the soaked okra in the refrigerator overnight to keep it fresh, and drink the water first thing in the morning for maximum absorption. Some seniors like to enhance the flavor by adding a squeeze of lemon or a slice of cucumber to the soak. While this is optional, it does add extra antioxidants and can make the drink more refreshing. Just make sure not to add sugar or sweeteners, as they cancel out many of the benefits you're aiming to get. Ultimately, the power of okra water lies in consistency. It's not about drinking it once and expecting miracles. It's about giving your body a gentle, daily boost with nutrients that support you from the inside out. Over time, you'll start to notice small changes: fewer stomach issues, more stable energy, better bathroom habits, maybe even clearer skin or lighter joints. These are signs that your body is responding positively. For seniors who are tired of complex regimens and looking for something simple and effective, okra water is a hidden gem. Nature often gives us what we need in the most humble form, and okra is proof of that. Whether you're managing a condition or simply trying to age gracefully, this small change can become a powerful part of your routine. If you found this video helpful and you learned something new today, don't forget to like and share so we can help more people live healthier lives. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss our daily natural health advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.